Welcome to the Momenzo app. If this is your first time using it, we recommend following our step-by-step recording tutorials. Click here for the easy recording experience. Then click here to get started. Select your recording orientation. Here, you'll add the parts of the property you'd like to film. Just a moment while the app loads the tutorials for your selected rooms. Alright, here's the first tutorial on how to film the living room. The first video shows you where to position yourself, the second shows how to move, and the third shows what the final shot should look like. Now it's your turn to record. Press the red button to begin, and take your position during the 3-second countdown. Move slowly. Your recording will stop automatically. After recording, you can review your shot. If you're happy with it, just tap Done. Your first video shot is being saved. Great! Now just follow the same steps to film the kitchen. And to finish the project, we'll now record the best angle of the property. This is called the intro highlight. It will appear at the beginning of your video to grab attention on social media. Alright, the video recording is done. Next, you'll add the property details to move on with the editing. Add a title that will appear at the beginning of the video, then enter the property's location, followed by all the details, like surface area, number of rooms, and more. Please don't forget to include the currency for the price and surface area. If you make a mistake, don't worry, you can edit the project at any time if needed. And that's it! The app is now putting everything together to get your listing video ready. Here we go, your video is ready, starting with your logo, title, and the property location. Property details are automatically added, along with your branding. You can choose to display your contact details at the end, so prospects can easily get in touch.